Good morning, children. Today we will start our new lesson that is from EVS chapter 7. EVS chapter 7, that is the food we eat. The food we eat. Generally, why we need food? If we don't take food, what happens? We will feel sick, right? We will feel sick. And is there any situation that you didn't eat food for a few hours? Is there any situation like that? No, you all are good children. You'll take food at regular times, right? So I know that you are taking your proper diet also. So here we'll study today about the food we eat. So where we can get the food, we will study in our lesson, that is the food we eat. What generally you eat the food? Chalkies, lot many chocolates, biscuits, right? So don't take all those things. They will spoil our health. Don't take junk foods even. Okay. And what kind of food and where we get these foods, where we can get the foods from, and what kind of foods we want to take, why we want to take such kind of food. All these things we will learn in this lesson. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. It is very interesting, right? What kind of food we will take, that we can study in this lesson. Okay. Okay. Why we need to take food? We want to grow taller, right? We'll check all the time. We'll compare the height with the other children. So we want to grow taller, stronger, and uh, and healthier. We want to grow taller, stronger, and healthier. Right? You need good health, right? You want to be stronger and you want to be taller, right? So for all this, you want to maintain a good diet. So what is that diet and where we can get, we will see in this chapter. Okay, shall we start? And you can turn to your page number, that is turn to your page number 52. Here we go with the lesson, the food we eat. Okay, and here you see uh, in our food, in our routine food, we can have, what are the things we can have? Fruits, vegetables, cooked food. That is, mama will cook nice food, yummy food for us, no? Right? We can have the food and meat, meat, milk, eggs, all those things we can have in a regular diet. So how to follow that and how we'll get that, we will see. First, generally we see fruits and vegetables here. We can get the fruits and vegetables from plants. We'll get apples from plants, and we'll get banana from plants, right? Banana tree will be there, pumpkin, mango, all these things are from, we get these things from plants. So name some fruits here. Name some fruit, whatever you know, known fruits. Apple, mango, custard apple, pineapple, orange, all these things are from plants. And we have number of fruits also. This is some of the fruits I wrote here. So all these fruits we can get from the plants. Okay, apple tree will be there, mango tree will be there, custard apple, pineapple, oranges. Chocolate will also come from plants, right? No, chocolate is not, it's a man-made, it's not from plants. We will make that so that it is not from plants. And we have the vegetables too. So here vegetables are also there from plants. Right, tell me some vegetables what you take. Potato, brinjal, tomato, chilies, leafy vegetables, leafy vegetables, peas, and so on. So these vegetables also we can get from the plants. Where we get fruits and vegetables, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. From different plants we'll get different vegetables and fruits. And moving to the next one, that is meat. The foods like milk, meat, eggs, all these things comes from the animals. The foods like milk, meat and eggs will get from animals. Where you get milk? Milk is from cows, right? Cows and buffaloes. Buffaloes also will give the milk. So we get milk from animals like cows, buffaloes, goat. Goat also we can get the milk from goat also. Like these, but we'll take cow and buffalo milks generally. So we'll get milk from cows and buffaloes. And eggs, where you get eggs? From hens, right? So this is also from animal. And we can have the meat also from animals like what is that? Goat meat, we call it as mutton. From goat we'll get the meat. Goat, buffalo, cow, hen. The goat meat, buffalo meat and cow meat, the goat meat we call it as mutton. And buffalo and cow we'll call it as beef. And next, hen, the food or the meat we get from hen is called chicken. In this way we'll call with different names to identify which kind of meat we are going to take. And fish is also there. Fish is also there. So fish, prawns, and crabs. All these things we call it as seafood. Why? Because we are getting from this from the water source, so that we call it as seafood. That we will learn in the further lesson. But here up to now you have to know that what are the foods we'll get from animals like milk, meat and eggs will get from animals. And some food grains will be there. Some food grains is also from plants. Food grains, that is also from plants, will get the food grains. With these food grains we are going to cook food for us. Some of the food grains are wheat, rice, dal, green gram, Bengal gram, cereals, pulses. These are some of the examples for food grains we are getting from plants. And with these food grains, what we will do? We will cook food. Okay. With wheat atta, we make chapatis, right? With rice, we'll make what we'll make? We'll cook rice food, right? So in this way, we need food grains also. And some of the milk products will be there. Milk products. What are the milk products? Like butter, cheese, curd. Milk products are milk, curd, butter, ghee, cheese, some more. Okay, these are from milk, so that we call it as dairy products or milk products. Why? Because we are getting that all the things from milk. And this is all about the introduction of your lesson, that is different kinds of food we eat. Some foods are from plants, some foods are from animals, and some will get the dairy products, and some foods are food grains, like with what we are going to prepare food for us. And we need to grow healthier, as I said in the earlier itself. We need to grow healthier, stronger, and you need strong muscles, right? So for that reason you have to take more food. What happens if you don't take food? What happens? I already said that we will feel sick and we will feel hungry also, right? So you have to take the food in your regular intervals, and you have to maintain the good proportional diet also. So here we'll see why food is important for us. Shall we move for that? Why food is important for us. Why food is important for us. Here, why food is important for us. We discussed that food is for us to grow taller and stronger. We want to gain our height and weight also. We want to gain our we want to grow taller and we want to gain weight. For that reason we need food, right? It helps to grow taller and to gain weight also. If you take good food now, you'll grow very tall. Otherwise you will be very short, right? Don't do like that. Take good food. So to grow health, to grow taller and to gain weight also. If you take enough food, good quantity of food, you will be with good weight also. And what it will do, it will keep us strong and healthy. Why food is important for us? It will keep us stronger and healthy. Stronger and healthy. We will not feel sick all the time. Otherwise someone will be always, they will feel sick, they will be tired. So to avoid for such things, you have to take good food so that it will keep us strong and healthy. And it gives us energy to do work. It gives us energy to do work. If mama tells you something to get the things or to go for a shop or any for any other reason, what you need energy to run, to walk, and to play also. We need lot of energy, otherwise we will feel very tired. So for that reason you have to take good food. So what it will do for us means it will give more energy for us, so that we can have lot of energy. If we have lot of energy, we can go fast and we can do the work also quickly. So it helps us to give the energy also. So and it protect us from diseases. It protects us from diseases. We will not feel ill or sick if we take good food. Otherwise, what we don't have any proper energy, we can't do any work. All these things will be with you if you don't take good food. So these are the important things. It will fight against the viral diseases. If you take enough food in a proper time, then we will not feel sick. Okay, in this way you have to take care of your health also. So it protects. If you take food properly, what happens? It will protect us from different diseases also. We can get the immunity levels high so that we can fight with the virus also. So we will avoid the diseases. Understood about this? Okay. Once again, I am going to read for you why food is very important for us. Means it helps to grow us taller and we can gain the weight also, and it will keep us strong and healthy. You can be strong and healthy, and it gives us energy to do your work, and it protects us from diseases. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, here we take meals in a day. Generally, we take how many meals in a day, and what we call that meal. Now we will see here. Meals in a day. How many times you take food in a day? How many times you take food in a day? Generally, it's 3 times. 3 main meal we will take. How many meal? 3 main meal we will take. 3 main meal we will take here. So what is that? What we call that? We will see here. 3 main meals. That is, one is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Lunch and dinner. 3 main meal we will take, and we call that as breakfast, lunch and dinner. In the meanwhile, we will take some snacks. So here are the things, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. This is the 3 meal we are taking in a day, generally in a day. And what the things include in breakfast, in lunch, dinner, that we will discuss in the next class. But when we take this breakfast, when we take this lunch, when we take this dinner, we will see in this session. When you will take breakfast, this is the first and most important meal, or the start of a day meal. That is called what is that? Sorry. First day, that is the starting meal, we call it as breakfast. This is the very important and first meal we will take in a day. That is the breakfast, and we have to take the we have to have the breakfast in the every morning. It is very important for us. Otherwise, we can't start our day. Don't skip the breakfast. You have to take a proper breakfast. And moving to the lunch, we'll take the breakfast around 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 7 to 8 o'clock we want to finish the breakfast. And moving to the lunch, lunch is the thing which we will take in the afternoons. We call that lunch break also in school, right? So we'll have a lunch in the school. And around what time we will take? During the afternoon we will take the lunch, and it is called, when we will take means 12 to 1 p.m. Around 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. we can have our lunch time. And last one, that is the dinner. We'll take this at night time. So around 7 to 8 p.m. we can finish our dinner. Okay. And what are the food items included in this breakfast and lunch and dinner, we will see in the next class. But up to now, yes, here I forgot to tell you snacks. In the meanwhile, we can have the snacks around 10 o'clock in the morning and 4 o'clock at evening sessions. We can have a small quantities of snacks. Okay, this is all about the food we eat, and whatever the assignment I am going to give you, read it carefully and do your assignment. Okay, see you in the next class. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice and great day.